Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Libras. Let us see what is coming up, guys. We'll be picking few cards, guys, from the Wisdom Oracle deck. So this is for, sorry guys, we picked two cards. This is for your general energy, guys. This is for your career, and this is for your relationship, guys. We open the cards as we proceed. For your daily energies, come to the edge. Libras, the energy with this card is that you need to have that courage, guys, to face that unknown. So whatever is happening in your life, you are feeling some confusion and you are fearing that risk that you are taking. This may relate to your work situation or your personal life. So you are taking time, you are just waiting, but in reality it is the time for you to have faith and step into the unknown, take that risk. So when you come to the edge, when you are overlooking, taking that risk, you will see wonderful things waiting for you, guys. So you need to take that step and results will be amazing. But right now you are in confusion, you are in the dark, you don't know what to do, you feel you're risking everything, but maybe fear is not going to take anywhere, guys. You need to have that courage to step forward in life, whatever it may bring. So when you have that courage and determination in yourself, you will do wonderful things, guys. When you have that confidence, that is what I see here with this card. So let us see what is the card for your career. Go the distance. With this card, Libras, again the energy is that maybe certain confusions and certain struggles are there right now you're facing. That is what we saw with the previous card. So you need to have that endurance and strength to face whatever comes your way. Remain true to yourself. So whatever you are working for, whatever is supposed to come towards you will always come towards you, guys. So you need not fear that. So it is just you need to give up that fear that you have and make your efforts and ideas through hard work, make it work through your hard work. So that is what I see here. So you are in the right place at the right time. So you need to make that efforts and you should not be disturbed by the present situation. You should see the long term goals whatever you have and make that work, make that effort today, guys. That is what I see here with this card. And for your relationship, to be fair. So with this card, Libras, the energy is that you need to be unbiased in your relationship. So you have to have that respect and caring for this person. You need to listen to them and you need to speak the truth from your heart. So when you feel respected, when you share that mutual understanding, and when you have that feeling that your views, your suggestions are valued and heard and respected in this relationship, and when this person feels the same way about you, when they feel that you respect them, you value their suggestions, and you listen to their suggestions, whatever it is. So when you have that mutual understanding, you will work towards a deep meaningful relationship, guys. So that is the energy with that card. So to have that deep meaningful relationship, you need to be fair with this person. You need to be unbiased in how you are. So what way you want to be treated. That is how you have to treat this person, with respect, caring and love. So that is the energy with this card, Libras, and that is the reading for you all, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If it resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.